Today, we're diving in to a hidden gem here in Apple Valley, right in the high desert of Southern California, the Marianas, formerly known as Marianas Ranchos. If you're looking for a peaceful, spacious area to call home, but still want easy access to major roads and amenities, this is a place you'll want to hear about. Whether you're buying, renting, or just curious about this beautiful part of Southern California, I've got all the details for you. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated on everything happening right here in the high desert. The Marianas is a quiet, rural part of Apple Valley, located near the foothills of the San Bernardino Mountains, the south side of Apple Valley. It offers a lot of peace and privacy, but don't worry, you're not too far from the essentials. You'll have easy access to major roads like Main Street, Bear Valley Road, and Highway 18. And for those who commute or travel, it's just about 20 minutes from Interstate 15 without traffic, which connects you to major cities like San Bernardino, Rancho Cucamonga, Ontario, Los Angeles, the beaches, and then even all the way to Las Vegas. It's the best of both worlds. Peaceful, rural living with the convenience of nearby city access. Now, let's talk about the homes and the real estate market in the Marianas. Here, you'll find a mix of custom-built homes, ranch-style houses, and even some mobile homes, each sitting on large lots ranging from 1 to 5 acres or more. Whether you're into gardening, keeping horses and livestock, or you just love having that extra space, the Marianas is a perfect fit. Most homes here are on septic, but some are on wells. Also with gas, most have natural gas, but some do run off of propane. Some are more rural than others. The average price for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house here in Apple Valley, including the Marianas area, is around $379,000. But keep in mind that prices can vary based on the property size, location, and features. Larger lots or custom-built homes might fetch a higher price, but it is still a great value compared to the other parts of Southern California. If you're thinking about renting in the area, the average rent for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house ranges from $2,100 to about $2,600 per month. As with buying, rental prices depend on the house's condition, amenities, and proximities to schools and shopping centers. So whether you're renting or buying, the Marianas offers a range of affordability options for everyone. There are some apartments throughout here, but most are single-family homes. One of the great things about the Marianas is that despite being rural, it's well equipped with essential services. The Mariana Ranchos County Water District provides water services to the area, ensuring residents have access to clean and reliable water for their homes. So even though you're surrounded by nature, you still have the necessary utilities to live comfortably. Check your address for the zoning of utilities. Living in the Marianas means you're also part of a vibrant Apple Valley community, and there's always something exciting happening, especially this fall. Here are some highlights of upcoming events for the fall of 2024. Happy Trails Parade, though it just passed, this is a loved community tradition celebrating the spirit of Apple Valley. Concerts in the Courtyard, held on Thursdays in September 5th, 12th, 19th, and 26th. These concerts feature local bands and are perfect for a relaxing evening with friends and family. These concerts also run other months, so be sure to check out the Apple Valley City website. September 21st, the Reverse Triathlon. Whether you're participating or just watching, this unique triathlon is a fun event for all. October 14th, Community Cleanup Day, a chance to give back to the community and keep Apple Valley beautiful. November 11th, Veterans Day. It's a ceremony to honor and thank our veterans. November 23rd, Thanksgiving Turkey Trot. Get active before the big feast with this fun run. So whether you're looking for a place to settle down or an investment opportunity, the Marianas in Apple Valley has something for everyone. From spacious properties to a quiet lifestyle, all while being close to major roads and community events. It's truly a hidden gem in Southern California. What I love most about the Marianas is the lifestyle. It's perfect for people who enjoy outdoor activities like horseback riding, hiking, and ATV riding. Peace and quiet. It's really nice sitting outside looking up at the stars and not have to worry about the city noise. If you've always dreamed of having more space for your animals, hobbies, or even a small farm, this is the place to make those dreams a reality. Plus, you're just a short drive from all the conveniences of Apple Valley, including schools, shopping, and healthcare services. If you're interested in learning more or have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I am local here and I have been since I was a small girl. And I'm also a local real estate agent in the area, and I live right here in the Marianas. I would love to help in any way I can. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss any future videos about living right here in the high desert of Southern California. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time.